Good day! This is Gab, the Property Wanderer. So guys, may bago akong i-introduce sa inyong project here in Biñan, Laguna. So bagong-bagong project lang to ng December 2023. So ito si Turf Residences by SMDC. So alam naman natin pagdating sa condominium project, sikat na sikat si SMDC. So panoorin nyo itong video guys, i-explain ko dito yung details and sample dress-up unit. And bakit nyo need mag-avail right now here in Turf Residences by SMDC. So watch this guys. So yun na nga, as you can see nasa Mamplasan exit tayo kung saan sobrang lapit nito sa Turf Residences. 2 to 3 minutes away lang, nasa SLEX ka na. Sobrang prime location, di ba? Anyway, when it comes sa pag-avail ng investment, syempre unang-una dyan dapat wise location. Ang location ni Turf Residences ay very prime location. Bakit? Very accessible ito sa SM Santa Rosa, Pavilion Mall, and Pure Gold. A few minutes away lang din nasa SLEX or Calax ka na. Accessible din ito going to Alabang. Very near lang din to going to Tagaytay via Calax. Kung schools and hospital naman ang punta, 5 minutes away lang to from the project. And many more establishment nearby guys. O diba, napaka-wise ang location nitong si Turf Residences. Alam nyo ba guys, nung nag-open for selling si Turf last December 2023, ay mabilis na sold out ang mga studio units sa 5 buildings na inopen. But don't worry, we still have 1 bedroom units na mas malaki ang floor area kaysa sa studio. Dahil sa flexible down payment terms ni SMDC, ay ma-afford mo na ang 12K monthly down payment. So finally guys, nandito na tayo sa Turf Residences location. As you can see na ongoing land development si Turf. Possible turnover nito guys 5 years from now since pre-selling tayo ngayon. Welcome guys sa ating SMDC showroom ng 1 bedroom unit. Kung makita nyo dito sa sample unit natin, naka-dress up na si 1 bedroom model which is 24 square meter floor area, complete finish turnover with 1 bedroom partition. Pwedeng-pwedeng ito sa mga startup families or kung hindi naman ipa-Airbnb or bed space rentals. Panalong-panalo ka din sa world-class amenities nito. So for more details and viewing schedule, kindly message me here. So see you soon, Kawander!